Welcome everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Let me bring the music now. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and to this live stream. My name is Tiago Pereira. I'm a passionate learner transitioning from dance to tech, and I'm interested in web development and no-code tools. So I'm enrolled in a course of No Code Institute, and so we are learning now to do database. That is very important from the backend perspective. We've been working in the front end before. The last live streams was on card, learning how to make a website on card. And so today I'll be trying to do a database to learn how to use it. And yeah, this is the second part. The first part was me trying to explore the Airtable. Didn't went so well, but yeah, let's try again. So let's bring my desktop for mission 2. So understand what fields do you need. I have here the database, the recipe database. Based on Gemini, guys, what I came up with is Gemini. I use it to try to learn a bit about databases. I don't know anything. Maybe we can try to learn something more before we put our hands on. Maybe it's a little bit dark. A little bit dark. Let me just. It's okay. You guys can see me, but my eyes are a bit. Let me try to open this. It's a bit better now. Okay. So this is the part 2 of the video and live stream. I prefer doing live streams because I still need to prepare myself better for making videos and know how to make videos. On the live streams, I used to do like live stream playing games on other channels, but now on this one is focused on technology and no code tools and all of those things, tech related. So yeah. So based on my search, we had some good information. I have here the Google Sheets, here with some recipes from Madeira Island. 5 recipes from Madeira Island. And yeah, I probably will make it in Portuguese just to be more, but the steps are the same, like the steps will be the same. Let me just go here pretty quickly to the YouTube just to check if it's everything okay. It sounds okay. Okay, let's share it so more people can engage with the content. Building my first recipe using Airtable. Using Airtable. First time. Trying. Try. How do we try? Build my first time user. Okay, you can try to build my first recipe database using Airtable first. All right. If you don't follow, guys, there is the link in the profile. I forgot to put in the description, but the links for all my socials, and if you want to follow me there on X, the former Twitter, and other platforms. So yeah, using Airtable. Let me just publish in Facebook too. Using Airtable. Okay, okie dokie. Publish. And let's publish on LinkedIn just to be present everywhere. To see if I have more engagement or something. And yeah. Okay guys, everything shared. Let's go to the live stream. So, for what I understand, I have here the core recipe information, the ingredients, and the instructions. These are 3 tables, okay? But now I have this question, and I still don't know because before I did the live stream on the evening after the lunch, so I didn't pick up again. I'm just picking up now. I have more time. I went to the gym and all. It's very important to take care of the health. And so yeah, the core recipe information. I have here this table. This should be, but I think I will start a new one just to try to make a new one. And let's see, Airtable, basic database, basic database. To see there is here on software, we can try to check this. Reject. From scratch. Data on the table, grid, there's various forms. Add a filter to your database, filters, add condition, set your condition, click group. There's a lot of information here. Oh, the webcam died. Let me check. Why is not connecting? Hello? Why is not connecting? And we are back. Technical problems. Some technical problems. So let's see. Let's see from Copilot, what does he say? Add records. Okay, design your table. Each consistent table, similar. Add a record. Populate your table with records, rows. Each record represents individual items, task, or entity. Link tables. Okay, customize views, use cases, content planning, inventory management, event planning. The overview. Let's see in the documentation of Airtable if we can get some enlightenment. Okay, create templates. No, I don't want to use a template, or do I? Let me check the templates. Available templates. We can maybe use a template and then create our own recipes. Let me see. Menu planner, planning a menu could improve plenty. Trial and error. From recipe binders to recipe card to recipe books. Keep all your favorite recipes. Let me check this one. Okay, each bag, there's the thing that I found most difficult is the recipe quantity. Okay, bag can Aussie. This sounds like what I'm going for. Recipes, recipes. Produce meat, slice each. We can try to use this template just to check how it's built. There's here, here is the recipes, other everyday life templates. Let me check this template. How does it work? Which workspace will I install this new base? Don't know. My first workspace. I signed up for Airtable and it automatically gave me like a trial ingredients. Oh, but this is a bit overkill for me, maybe. But okay, ingredients. This is a formula. I have no idea about formulas. Formula. Category. Grocery produce. We have 3 recipes. Okay. Pesto pasta. I'm more interested in this unit. How can this be a unit? Single select. Okay. The unit bag 0.5. This should be what? OZ case, leaf, box, bag, OZ each, slice, can, cup, block. This is interesting. Case, I don't know what this case is. Let me go back to my recipe. I have here units. But the quantity, I started by adding this selectable that various options. For example, till 10. Till 10. Let me check here with Gemini. One thing that I'm curious. What information should I gather before gather? How do you write gather? What information should I collect? Maybe collect before creating a database for recipes. Let me check. So before creating a recipe database, here's some information you should gather to make it well organized and useful. All right. Recipe structure. Core information, recipe, name, description, image. Ingredients. Name, ingredient, name, specific ingredients used. Quantity, unit of measurement, optional category. Instruction. Decide how you'll present the instructions. Single text field for brief instructions, separate text fields for each step, or include optional notes and tips. Additional data points. Consider what details are important for your users. Prep time, cook time, servings, cuisine, course, advanced features, optional. This is a bit advanced. We're okay. Serving size. Ingredient name, quantity, units. I like this one. or this one, this one, this one, this one. This is for personal. Will you collect? Oh, you will collect by typing them manually, scanning them cookbooks, importing from other sources. What level detail do you want to capture? Okay. What am I looking for? Let me do export to docs. Live learning, guys, live learning. So I need the recipe name, the description, and an image. How many recipes do I want to include? It would be this 5 recipes from Madeira Island that I have here, the 5 recipes. Oh, I have here the 5 recipes. Not very well detailed, but yeah. What about create 5 a table for 5 Madeira Island recipes? Let me see what Gemini will tell me. Okay, it gave me in this is a sample. Yeah, it's a sample. Okay. I should probably organize already inside here, and then I will check that. First, I will recipe database. I'll start with espetada. This is not well. Okay, let's go from. Also, guys, I will do a Pomodoro. It now is 6:30. Let me check the focus mode. I will focus for 20 minutes. Okay. This is me trying to figure out this. Okay, let's delete all of this. Deleted ingredients. Delete instruction. No instructions yet. Okay, let's start with recipe name. Let's check recipe for espetada. For start. Okay, but I want with this description that is with okay. This recipe. Let's try something. Category. Let's try to make something different. Instructions. Single. The music is too loud, guys. Just let me know, okay? These advanced, I don't want to focus. So let's see if this will work, guys. I will try something here with Gemini, and maybe I will try with let me see with Gemini. Based on the next template, create the recipe for 7. Let me see what you will build. Okay. And he gave us a source. All right. Nice, nice, nice. This is good. This is good. Okay. And now I want for create the same, but for create the same for lookup. Bulu Lukaku. 3, 2. And then we will check. Uma surda, one surda. And finally, a drink. Create the same for Ponchamadrinhos. Now we should have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start with so here this is the core information. Okay, core information. Let's start with the espetada. What's this one? Espetada madeirense. Like so. Description: tender marinated beef cubes threaded onto skewers on traditional cooks over coals. Nice. Very good. The image I will add later. Yeah. And the image. Okay. Or should I add already everything? But if I do like this, ingredients. Okay. This is an option. Beef, sirloin, or rump steak. This is an option. Garlic cloves. Let me check here one thing. This is that I don't know the ingredient summary. The single selected recipe quantity. But this quantity is what? I have here the quantity like this. Edit field. This should be single selected. Okay. Okay, single selected. But here doesn't say the units, guys. The unit of. It's not saying the unit, so maybe we need to add that. Maybe if we come here. Here it says ingredients, 5 servings, 2 head garlic, 1 branch bay laurel, 1 kilogram or 2 livers beef tenderloin, of course salt. Okay, so on here bay leaf, cancel, save. What is beef tenderloin? Tenderloin. Tenderloin. Okay. This quantity should be a number. Edit field. Of course, how much? How much is the number? Number. Okay. Now it gets like the preset. Decimal places. Put 1. One of this doesn't make sense for me. Something's missing. Let me see here. The ingredients are this. Branch 1 each. Slice, 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 slice. And here is the quantity. Maybe we can. This is the thing that I don't get it. $11. This sum. What is this sum? Half bag. 1 can, and 10 OZ. What is OZ? Cherry tomatoes, 10. This 10 OZ. No, no, no. OZ unit. House, house. 1 house. A little bit more complicated. Ounce. Okay. Where do we start? Start. I want the core recipe information, that is the recipe and the description, right? Next, I want the ingredient names. Try to do from here. Both ingredient name, quantity, unit, category. Ingredients, ingredient name, quantity, and unit. Category is optional, but I will include it here. Maybe category, and the category should be single selected. Okay. Single selected category. Okay. Quantity is a number. For example, is 1 beef. And the unit is a I need to edit this. That is a single selected, right? Single selected. Recipe quantity. Let me explore more this unit and the name. This is a bit too overkill for me because I still... Okay. Should be like this. Ingredient name. The recipe quantity. How much of this? the unit. I need to create the unit, edit field. What if I just copy these units? Can I copy these units? No. Okay, what is okay? So uma caixa, sleeve, box, bag, or Z each. I can copy. Let's check this espetada. Kilos? 1 kilo. Kilograms? Like so? Cup? Bag? Can? Box? Let me check with Gemini. I like to use it. Oh, my camera died. Camera died again. Check, check. It's okay. Let's put common. There's also conversions. Make it simpler. So the ingredients for super poncha bulukaku. It doesn't say the. We can check here. Okay. 1 kilo, 1 branch. More difficult than I thought. Don't give up. Let's go. going okay. This should be espetada. What is garlic clove? Garlic clove. Cabeça de olho. Okay, cloves. For this is 2. Example 2. To what? I can no. Sleeve box back or each. Let's check like this. This will work. Each. Whatever it is. Bay leaf. Bay leaf 1. Should be each. I think this is optional. But should, for example, let me see here. Gallery. Espetada. Description, image, ingredients, beef, garlic, to each. 1 kilo of beef tenderloin. 2 garlic cloves, 2 each. Bay leaf, 1 piece each. Grid view. Focus time. Okay guys, this is what we have so far. Still studying. What time is it? 22:07. Okay guys, I'll end up here the live stream. I hope you learned something that I couldn't learn yet. I'm still doubling how to make this work. I need to watch some tutorials, so I will try to watch some tutorials and yeah, see maybe the documentation, because what I'm having difficulty is to the unit, the recipe quantity. And here, for example, I have different ingredients. If I want to make for these 5 different recipes, I need to have here all the ingredients, okay? And then I should add here, I think I need to, for example, the ingredients be more specific, not so much like, for example, here I have optional. I need to put like this. the quantity. I need to check if this is the right measurement here. If decimal place is 1, 2, or maybe 2. If it's half is 0.50, 0.50. And also category I will see, and the instructions. That will be my next step. For example, the instructions for espetada. We have here this espetada. These are the instructions, for example, and here in the core information I want to add the instructions, create field. Something like this, and when we go to the gallery we can check espetada madeirense, Madeiran beef skewers. Description, there will have an image, ingredients and instructions that links to the other instruction. Marinate with tender marinate, let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. This is the ingredients. Core recipe is the okay. Should be something like this, no? I just need to figure out, guys, what is supposed to have in the ingredients. For example, the units that I need to declare the units. Yeah, guys, this will be the live stream for today. I hope you enjoy. Maybe you can help me in the comments if you have time, just to guide me some direction, and see you on the next live stream. Thank you.